company. Left face. Front, quick march. The right wheel. Wheel!
I'm gonna guess we're in a route step.
Oh, this is a good place to die right here.
Yeah, I feel like being bitten.
Go to battalion front, battalion line, open order.
Open order, battalion.
Just do it, don't worry about the command, just do it. Get into one line.
Alright. Not an easy area. Guys, we're losing the line.
I don't like this.
Alright, just follow.
I'm following. What is this line you speak of? Shut up.
Head towards the cornfield, Mr. Cox.
Aye, sir.
Keep Rattler, right to the cornfield.
Let's go. Christian, will you carry me through the field? No.
Let's go.
Open order. Keep going. Mark.
What are we, lights?
I guess so.
My God. I'm gonna step behind you.
Open order, 54. Open order.
Open order. We're in open.
You gotta move down. Mr. Cox, take him down. Fill in that hole over there, Steve. We'll stay here.
54, one step to the front, quick march. Press.
Run. Open order between ranks. How much gap we got? We're good. Two bodies.
Open order, Brandon, open order.
54th, advance and dress on the 10th. 22nd, advance and dress on the 54th.
54,
advance on the 10th.
March. March.
Dressing!
Don't rush.
Trail your fire off.
Hold, gang shoulder.
At the slope if you have to. I think.
Take care.
Take care!
Hold.
Hold!
Press.
Good!
Check the distance. Push left. Push left. Recover your fire line. We got militia players. Advance firing by company.
54. Make ready.
Hey, ready!
Freeze it.
Freeze it!
Fire. Get him up! Make the company! Make ready! Freeze it!
present.
Fire!
Watch your dressing now.
Oh! Ladies and company! Nurse ready! Freeze, yes! Fire! Fire!
Barrels are getting hot.
Freezers!
Ready, guys.
Fire and load, get 'em up!
You got that, you're going to start wheeling to the left.
Yep, got it. 54th, get those muskets up! Shoulder, fire left! Run, quick march! Go left! Wheel!
Wheel.
Watch the dressing!
Close on them! Close on them! Continue marching!
Let's go!
Charge your muskets! Charge your muskets! Here we go!
Hard!
I can't country!
Up on the road and dress yourselves!
Keep pushing, 54.
At the double quick! Third!
We're not down.
Reform the line! Reform the line! Take a knee! Take a knee! Quickly, reform your line!
Kneel!
Make ready! We followed them. Freeze!
Alex, get back a little bit.
Fire!
Close to
Prime
them
and
now.
load! 54th, prime and load. Fire a volley at him.
We are loaded.
Quickly,
Take
lad.
ready.
Quickly!
Freeze it! Fire! Fire and load!
Quickly, lad. Make ready! Fire!
You need a tool? No, I'm good.
Amanda, get 'em up! Get 'em up!
Don't worry about me.
On your feet, lads!
54!
Arms out, arms out! 10 foot, hang on, hold your fire, hold your fire. 10 foot, I want you to swing like a door.
Here we go! By the right wheel, quick march! 54, spring up!
Clear a path, clear a path for us. Close ranks! Right! One file, make the hole for Lustenberger. Trail your firelocks! Trail your firelocks! Take your advance in 2 files from the right.
Come to the handle arms.
Double file,
trail, lad.
Double files from the
right,
right.
Shoulder, firelocks!
Falling behind.
To the right, hey!
Gotta go through the file.
Trail your firelocks!
March!
Out to the wait for the command!
54.
54 to advance, double file from the right! Quick march!
You're behind me.
Follow the corner six. Go.
Give him hell, guys!
Get some. 54th.
Loaded.
Great lights. Let's go.
Double file!
We'll go left. Kneel, down. Corporal!
Stop!
Are we primed and loaded?
Who's loaded?
I am. Loaded.
Everybody's loaded. Stop!
Very good.
All right, be careful, this bed right there. Tell them to take a knee, get down.
Take a knee. Kneel.
54th, 22nd. Concentrate your fire on that mob in front of you.
54th. Ready. Present. Elevate. Elevate. Fire. Right with the rail.
Get up.
Not today.
Swing up.
Where's my contact?
Swing up.
Okay, so
Company.
contact it
Front.
first.
Break. March.
Close, Chris. Good.
Take care. Hold. Hold.
Have the 54th
Kneel.
take cover behind those trees. Take cover behind those trees.
All right.
Somebody.
Disregard. Take cover behind these trees. Use the trees for cover.
These trees right here. Take a knee.
Which trees?
I don't know. Take those.
These trees.
Friend over here. This one here.
Continue firing.